Hi children, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about concentration. Do you keep studying for long hours with no result? Do you keep studying most of the day and even the night but you do not get the marks you think you deserve? You sit in front of your books for hours together, but you are not able to focus. You keep perhaps thinking of the dinner tonight or maybe about what you wrote on Facebook. But remember, you are not alone. We all have our diversions and distractions, and then we get angry with ourselves because we allowed ourselves to these diversions, like chatting with our friends endlessly or being on Facebook. But we cannot be blamed for that because social media is so interesting. Today, the social media is so diverting, so interesting that you cannot come out of it. You keep remembering the post you wrote, the comments you got, but you can transfer the same concepts to your studying technique. But how can we remove the diversions and increase our focus, our concentration to get better marks? Once you are able to focus on anything that you want to do, then nobody and nothing can stop you for doing very well in your exam. This video is all about that. And in case you like the video, please subscribe to my channel so that you will be able to get all the self-improving tools and the grammar and the literature that I will be putting out on my channel. Today in our video, we are going to see the 5 tips to study better by just increasing our power of concentration or focus. This will also consequently help you to get better marks. Children, if you are doing very well because of this program, please inform me. And if you also have other ideas by which you can increase your concentration, I'm eager to know about it. So please write to me. Now, you must remember that these tips need to be followed every day and very sincerely. And only after you follow it for at least 15 days will you be able to see the result. Rule number 1, prepare your study surroundings for study and focus. That means you have to prepare everything that is around you in such a way that it's easy for you to study and to focus. What do you have to do for that? You have to have a comfortable chair where you can rest your back because you will be doing a lot of studying. You need a table where you can keep all the things you need without getting cluttered. You need a table that is positioned in such a way that you get natural light and the artificial light is over your head. This is because in the night you will not have shadows over your table which will distract you from studying. The room needs to be a little peaceful. Don't worry, if it is not peaceful, you can always cover your ears with earbuds or with your headphones so that you will not get the sound from outside. Please don't study in a position which is not a position seated upright because it may give you body aches if you do this for a very long time. Declutter your table. Remove your table of all the unnecessary things that you don't need for studying. Remember, a clean table will always help you to study better. Remove all the diversions and distractions like your phone and your internet. Rule number 2, plan a schedule and keep monitoring it. This is very important. You need to have a proper plan of studying. Make a practical daily and weekly study plan. What is the meaning of practical? It should be such that you will be able to do it. Don't put too many lessons and too much of studying in the same day. You also give yourself time for distraction and other activities. Fix a time to study and study at the same time. This is very, very important. It is scientifically proved that when you study at the same time and at the same place every day, you tend to concentrate better gradually, and you will also be able to study more. So that is why time and schedule should always be almost the same every day. Rule number 4: organize and plan your study time into blocks. This is the most important point that you have to remember. When you start studying, you will have studying period and break period. You cannot keep a very big study block in the beginning because you tend to get distracted. So first, let the study block just be 10 minutes. Start with 10 minutes. In those 10 minutes, you are going to tell yourself that I will not get into any distractions. I will only look into my studies, only for that 10 minutes. If you get distractions, consciously put it away. But you will study for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you will take a break because breaks are necessary for you. So in those times of breaks, probably you can browse the internet or probably talk to your friend, and you can do all those things. Gradually increase the time of the study block into 15, 20, 25 minutes and gradually increase it, also increasing the diversion period a little. But remember that your study block should not be more than 1 hour, because after that your brain is not capable of taking in more information. So keep the study block for maximum 1 hour when you are able to concentrate fully for 1 hour. Till that time, you will have to keep a little less of the study block and keep the break. What is most important here, you must remember, as soon as your break period is over, you should just get back to your studies. That way, you will be able to do a lot. You will not be frustrated because you are also taking your diversion period. Rule number 5: get enough sleep. The need for a sound sleep cannot be overemphasized. Studying is a very, very stressful and exhausting job, and hence, if you study for a long time, it takes a lot of your physical and mental energy. That is why it is very, very necessary to sleep peacefully. Besides this, your brain also gets time to rejuvenate itself so that you are ready to do more studying. Children, with this, I have told you and I have shared with you the 5 different tips that you will need in order to study well, in order to concentrate well. Please let me know if it worked for you.